2.5 inches, because that's how thick the foam is. So make a mark at 2.5 inches over here. And then we're gonna make a mark at 2.5 inches over here. Okay. On this side. What we're doing now is marking out where the sill plates are going to go. So we're using the side that the front door is going to go on, which is the east side of the building, as our reference line. Nice. Basically what we did is we measured in from the foam to where there's actually solid concrete all the way down, which is 2.5 inches in from the outside of the foam, and we put a chalk line. Now we're measuring from that chalk line 32 feet to get the other parallel side, to get the west side of the building. After we do that, we're pulling a tape diagonal from corner to corner. Okay. We did a little math to figure out the measurement that we should be at, and then we're putting a line there and snapping a chalk line on the north and south side. That way we know we have a square building. Should be 8 3/4. We should be right there. Okay. Snap it high. I'm going to snap it on this end because it didn't do anything. Okay. Now that we have the chalk lines out where the sill plates are going to be, the edge of the sill plate, I'm going to go ahead, lay the sill plates out, drill all the holes for the bolts in them, and then get the sill plates on. So these boards are 16 foot 1 inch, and I need them to be more centered over the bolts. So I'm going to cut 1 inch off of this and we'll move it over. And then we'll get, actually I'll cut 2 inches off. And then we'll be good. First one done. That was a mess. Let's do another one. Now line. Let me look down on it. Let me know if it's there. Is it there?
Yeah.
Okay, all the sill plates are on. I just need to go around and level them, so I'm gonna get the laser level set up. Once I'm gonna shim under the sill plate to make sure that they're all level. And then after that gets done, I can start spreading joists, cutting them to length, putting rim board on, all that stuff. It'd be really cool if I get that all done today, but I don't think so. Okay, I got all the sill plates up. Because of how much I had to shim, I'm gonna end up getting probably 4 or 5 more packs of shims. And then I'm gonna shim under each floor joist. We only have 20 floor joists, so that shouldn't be too bad. Right now I'm just gonna go back and lay out the where the floor joists go. So they're gonna go 19.2 inches on center. So I'm gonna mark every 19.2 inches and then do it down both sides, and we should be good to go with the floor joists. So yeah, let's get going. It's this little diamond right here. So we just put a mark right there. Now it goes evenly into 8 feet, so the diamond's at 8 foot and it'll be at 16 foot too. So I'll line it up with my mark, and draw a line. It's gonna go on that side. Now we're really close to this bolt, but it will sit right here and it'll be alright. Let's make sure this bolt is as tight as it needs to be before we put the joists on. And then the rim board's gonna sit right along this, so I'll just go ahead and mark that. Okay, I got all the... Whoa, this is hard.
Is the GoPro doing good? Does the GoPro do well?
Give you the benefit of the doubt.
That makes way more sense.
I'm gonna stop doing that now.
I was like, oh, okay, I don't know what that would help, but okay.